pretty wide stroke there. So you can see I get some nice variation. To make this workable, I'm going to break it down. Her bangs are quite narrow, and they're the previous section. It was really covering a lot of the corner of her eye here. I want to open that up a little bit more, so I'm going to widen out this section a little bit. So I want to change the direction of which way I remove the weight, so that way I can create the different directions in the way that the hair moves. Now, if you can see it even from head on, this fringe is opening up her face a little bit more, and all this texture and all this volume now on the top, we can push it forward, we can push it to the side, we can push it back. So, my first section, diagonal section from the back of the bangs to behind the ear. Take it back on the diagonal here so that that section can be covered over if she pulls her hair back.
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.